What's going on, guys? So FatShark has jumped into the beginner FPV drone arena with this FatShark FPV 101 drone training system. Will it take off? We'll take a look. Hang around, hit that subscribe button, and we'll be right back. Hey guys, welcome back. RTF Off the Dome Media Group. Let's say you're really digging the idea of FPV drones and you want to get into the hobby, but it can be extremely confusing. You don't know where to buy the drone, what all you'll need to go with it, and more importantly, you don't know how to fly yet. Look no farther than FatShark. They've been in the business of making FPV headsets, cameras, and accessories since 2007. They recently added the FatShark 101 FPV drone training system to their lineup. And it's just that, a complete drone training system with everything included in a bundle, or a bundle training system. Anyway, you get my point. The bundle includes the new FatShark Recon FPV goggles, which FatShark says is a simple and affordable solution to ultra immersive FPV. The Recon goggle has an integrated 32-channel receiver with USB charging with a 55-degree field of view. The FatShark Quad is a mid-level quadcopter capable of training new pilots and aggressive sport flight. 2 bands, FatShark and Race, 8-channel video broadcast, Betaflight 3.2 integration for custom programming, powered by 2 edge batteries, 2 are included, FlySky compatible receiver with fast and easy binding, 4 custom 8520 brushed 8.5mm motors, and integrated PCB antennas. The FatShark radio controller is designed to follow the pilot all the way from beginner to competitive sport racing. You can also connect your controller directly to your computer with the included USB cable. This allows you direct interactivity with your favorite drone simulator. Speaking of drone simulators, the bundle comes with DRL access, or Drone Racing League, which happens to be my favorite drone simulator. In addition to access to the DRL simulator, you also get what they're calling a provisional 3-month membership to the AMA. This is probably the 3-month trial membership that the AMA offers for $19.99. It's definitely worth it. If it is in fact the trial membership, you have the option to upgrade to the full membership at the end of your trial period. So what are my thoughts? For what it's worth, I think it's a pretty good starter system. For $249, you're getting the FPV goggles, a controller, and the drone. If you take out the $19.99 for the DRL simulator and the $19.99 for the AMA membership, you're spending about $210 for the goggles, the controller, and the drone. That's not bad. You would spend that on an Inductrix FPV ready-to-fly combo with an extra battery. But you wouldn't have the goggles, the AMA membership, the DRL simulator, or the FatShark training videos that you have access to. I'm just saying. Okay, that's it. I'm done. What do you think about the FatShark 101 bundle? Let me know in the comment section below. As always, subscribe, comment, like, follow, and share. And more importantly, fly safe. Peace.